Did you know that over 70% of people experience racing thoughts regularly? That's a huge number of us struggling with a mind that just won't quit. These thoughts can leave us feeling anxious, exhausted, and disconnected from ourselves and the world around us. They can keep us up at night, distract us from our work and passions, and even make it difficult to truly be present with our loved ones. But here's the good news. There's a way to find peace amidst the chaos. Join me as I take on the challenge of stopping my racing thoughts and finding peace amidst the chaos of everyday life. We'll explore practical techniques that can help us quiet the mental noise and reclaim our inner calm. Have you ever felt like your mind is a crowded room filled with thoughts all vying for your attention? Worries about the future, regrets from the past, to-do lists that seem to stretch on forever, all competing for space in your mind. That's the reality of racing thoughts. They can feel like an unstoppable torrent, pulling us in a million different directions and leaving us feeling completely overwhelmed. The first step to overcoming racing thoughts is to acknowledge them and become aware of the patterns of your thoughts. Racing thoughts can be triggered by a wide range of things, from major life events to everyday stressors. Think about the last time you experienced racing thoughts. What was happening in that moment? Were you feeling stressed, anxious, or overwhelmed? By identifying your personal triggers, you can start to anticipate when racing thoughts are likely to occur and take steps to manage them. For example, if social media tends to send your mind into overdrive, you might choose to limit your screen time, especially before bed. It's also important to pay attention to the physical sensations that accompany your racing thoughts. Chapter 3. Finding your anchor. The power of mindfulness. Mindfulness offers us a lifeline, a way to anchor ourselves in the present moment and find a sense of peace amidst the chaos. At its core, mindfulness is about paying attention to the present moment without judgment. One of the simplest and most effective ways to cultivate mindfulness is through our breath. When you find your mind racing, try this simple exercise. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and bring your attention to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of your breath as you inhale and exhale. Follow your breath for a few moments. If other thoughts arise, acknowledge them without judgment, and gently guide your attention back to your breath. Start with just a few minutes of mindfulness practice each day, and gradually increase the duration as you feel comfortable. Chapter 4. Breathing your way to calm, deep breathing and containerization. When we're stressed or anxious, our bodies go into fight or flight mode. Our breath becomes shallow and rapid, our heart rate increases, and our muscles tense up. Deep breathing exercises can help to slow our heart rate, lower our blood pressure, and reduce feelings of anxiety and stress. First, find a comfortable position. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Inhale slowly and deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Hold your breath for a moment, then exhale slowly and completely through your mouth. Continue breathing deeply and slowly for 5 to 10 minutes. Now let's explore containerization. Imagine a container. It could be a box, a basket, or even a bubble. Visualize each thought that enters your mind as a separate object. As each thought arises, gently pick it up and place it inside the container. Visualize it slowly floating away, creating a sense of separation between yourself and your thoughts. Chapter 5. Grounding down. Connecting with your senses. Grounding techniques help us to connect with the present moment and find stability when we're feeling overwhelmed or disconnected. Here's a simple grounding exercise you can try right now. Find a comfortable seated position, rest your feet flat on the floor, and gently close your eyes. Notice 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This exercise helps to redirect your attention away from racing thoughts and ground you in the present moment through sensory experience. Another powerful grounding technique is to use affirmations. When you're feeling overwhelmed by negative thoughts, try repeating affirmations like, "I am safe and grounded. I am capable of handling whatever comes my way. I choose to focus on the present moment. I am worthy of peace and happiness." Remember, you are not your thoughts. You are the observer of your thoughts. And you have the power to choose which thoughts you want to focus on, and which thoughts you want to let go of. Finding your peace. You've got this. In summary, managing racing thoughts is a challenge we can all relate to. But with mindfulness, breathing exercises, and grounding techniques, we can find peace and quiet in the midst of chaos. And here's another tip. Writing down your thoughts, no matter how chaotic, just helps to get it all out of your head, so just try it. These techniques take practice, so be patient with yourself and celebrate your progress along the way. Even a few minutes of mindful breathing or a simple grounding exercise can make a world of difference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.